The floods may be over, but they left behind destruction, debt, and hopelessness for thousands of small farmers across Punjab. To bring hope back, RISC has started its new agricultural revival campaign, Seeding Good. It began in Khanewal and is now expanding to Bahawalpur. The aim is to bring 1 lakh acres of flood-damaged farmland back to life by giving farmers interest-free loans, land leveling spot and high-quality seeds and fertilizers. In the first phase, RISC will restore 10,000 acres of land across Bahawalpur, Khanewal, Multan and Muzaffargarh. More than 25,000 small farmers will receive training in sustainable farming practices and help in getting better access to markets. For years, farmers have been trapped by middlemen who charge high interest rates, sometimes up to 50%, and sell poor quality seeds and fertilizers. RISC's Kisan Dost program is helping break this cycle by giving farmers interest-free financing and trusted resources they can depend on. Agriculture is our lifeline. This is not just a project, it's a vision to empower farmers, said Mia Farooq Ahmed, chairman of RISC. From devastation to revival and from despair to hope, together we are seeding good, reviving land, rebuilding lives and restoring Pakistan's agricultural future.